Hey everyone, my name is Anne and I'm a virtual educator. I work for the U.S. State Department's English language programs and I teach large groups of pre-service teachers in Mexico. Today I'd like to show you how to use forms to create a survey. My students will be surveying each other on their interests. The first thing you want to do is go to the Drive. So click on Drive. And from there, you can click on the folder where you want to create the form in. Once you're inside of the folder, then you can actually click on New. Click on Google Forms, and then you can title the form, Class Survey, Hobbies, something like this, okay? And then we will go ahead and customize the theme. So from here, you can choose the font, which I really like Century Gothic forever. Choose a header. For example, this one about candies is kind of fun since it's more about hobbies and activities. You can also choose the background color if you want to change the background color, and we can go with that. Right? So let's start adding the questions. Click here to add a question, and you can choose whatever kind of question you want, multiple choice, short answer, paragraph. Today I'm going to be working on a multiple choice question, and I'll write the question here. Do you enjoy reading novels? Okay, and students, here you can say yes or no. Okay, that's the first question. And the second question I'm going to add right under it. So I'll click this once again, and the second question will go right under it. So then I'll type in the next question of, are you into singing? And option one, again, yes, yes, no. Here you can just click on yes. It gives you some suggestions. No. Okay. So we won't leave a maybe in that one. Now I'll go ahead and keep asking them another question. One more question on this page. And again, I'll just use their suggestions. No. A section. Add another section. And this is going to have them go into kind of, it'll look like another page. And I'll add this, your dislikes. So I've written a couple of questions in the dislike section, and now I want to preview the form. Clicking on the eye icon. And do you enjoy reading novels? Okay, I can answer some of these questions and push next. And then we could answer the dislikes question and submit. Now I'll go back to the form and we will check the response. And we can also link these responses to sheets. I'll create a new spreadsheet. Is that this spreadsheet is actually housed back in the Drive where you started. So if you click on this, you will see class surveys and responses for hobbies. And you can analyze large data sets. I hope this tutorial has unlocked Google Forms and the power that this interactive technological tool has in your classroom to engage students and truly analyze large sets of data.